So I'm here with my brand new friend, Miss Vilma Peter, aka Miss Marshall Islands, who has willingly taken the time out of her very busy schedule to allow me to interview her. This will be a bunch of just random questions, but hopefully by the end of this video, we will finally have gotten to know her just a little bit more. All right, so my first question is a pretty generic, basic question. You've probably been asked it before, and that is, where did you go to high school? And what was your favorite subject while in high school?
I went to high school in a town called Surprise, Arizona, at a high school named Valley Vista High School. My favorite subject, I would say, would be English, because I love reading books and writing papers.
And writing papers.
Yeah,
See, I knew we would get along. I had a feeling you really liked English, but I wasn't sure. Did you spend all 4 years at the high school?
Yes.
Okay. And you liked it?
Yes, I liked it. And I liked science. That was my second favorite.
That's really cool. Where did you go to college?
I went to college at the University of Arizona, Bear Down. And I spent all 4 years there. I received my Bachelor's of Science in Public Administration.
Did you grow up in the States or you grew up here?
I grew up in the States.
In Arizona? Wow, I didn't know that. That's very fascinating. Exactly how many sisters do you have?
I have 5 sisters.
5 sisters. And did you grew up with your sisters for the most part?
They're all younger than me, so they all kind of grew up with me.
Okay.
Except for 2 of them. They lived here in the Marshall Islands, and I didn't see much of them, only when I visited, and now I live with them.
Nice. Can you tell me, what is something you find to be the most annoying thing about your sisters?
When they take my clothes and my things. That's the most annoying, without asking.
Without asking?
Even when they ask.
Even when they ask?
Because they have their own things.
Wow, that's very interesting. What about something you like about your sisters?
I like that when it comes to pretty much anything, we have each other's backs. So loyalty is never out of the question. Blood definitely is thicker than water with us.
Is there an authority figure in your life whom you really looked up to while growing up?
An authority figure? I don't really have anyone specific. I think I really looked up to the women in my life. I come from a matrilineal society, so I was raised to really value the women and hold them in high regard. So I learned a lot from my mother, my grandmother, even my younger sisters taught me about myself.
What exactly about these people impacted your life?
Just the way I was brought up, they really highlighted that I need to not only be myself, not only value God before others, but also just be true to what I believe in and what I want to accomplish, and don't let anyone tell me otherwise. And that family is really the foundation of my existence.
What is your greatest memory from growing up?
My greatest memory from growing up, I think would be traveling all over the States, not to visit random places or random people, but to visit family. And we used to visit our cousins on a reservation in Arizona, and we'd go tubing and we'd go play on the lake and never the ocean. So I think that's my favorite, is learning to
You've been all over the
appreciate-
States.
Yeah.
Wow, you've probably been to more states than I have. What is it about America that you really like? That's different than here in Majuro.
I like that there are more opportunities, education-wise, and as well as job opportunities. So you can go out, you can do more, and there are more resources available to people than there are here in the Marshall Islands.
Do you have a favorite restaurant from America?
BJ's restaurant in Arizona. That's my favorite.
Next question is, if you're walking on the streets here in Majuro and a dog comes barking and running after you, what do you do? What would you do personally? You would run.
If it was chasing me, I would run.
You would run. Okay.
I would first try and see if the dog likes me, because I'm kind of a dog person. But if it really didn't like me, then yeah, I'd run.
Has this happened before? You had a bad encounter with dogs? Not yet.
Never. Knock on wood.
Lucky person there. If you could be any animal in the world, what would it be and why?
I would be a monkey.
A monkey?
Yes.
Why would you want to be a monkey?
So I can swing from the trees, and so I can...
Have you seen monkeys before? Maybe
yes, I've seen a monkey at the zoo.
You like ice cream?
I'm lactose intolerant.
Oh, okay. But there's still lactose-free ice cream that you can
It doesn't taste the same.
Really? So you don't really eat ice cream?
So if I'm willing to suffer, I will eat ice cream. I'll eat chocolate chip ice cream or chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate
Maybe
chip.
a bite or two
Okay.
before I feel the effects. But,
Right. And then you usually go and separate yourself from society
Correct.
after that. See, now we have something else in common. I'm also lactose intolerant. So we both like English and we are lactose intolerant. Do you like almond milk?
Yes.
Soy milk?
Yes.
Silk milk?
Yes.
Rice
Ew!
milk?
I've never had rice milk.
All those are absolutely delicious. Do you like Disney movies?
Yes.
Okay, now think about this. Which Disney character do you think best represents your personality?
I think Lilo.
Lilo.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's tiny, she's feisty, she likes beasts. I like my sisters.
Oh, see, there you go. Little stitches running around your house.
Pretty much.
Okay. If you were stranded on an island and you could only have one person with you, who would that be and why?
That would be my cousin slash best friend Kalena. She works for Nimra, and that would be the best person that I would want to take if I was stranded on an island.
Okay. Why your cousin?
Because she likes to go camping and being, channeling her inner ancient Marshallese, so she knows how to cook and live off the land and things like that. So until I get to her level, she'd be the person I'd be stuck with.
Nice. This question comes from a junior guy and a senior guy, and they want to know, are you single?
Yes.
Okay, this question comes from one of our 9th grade guys. He wants to know, if you could do anything you've never done before, what would it be?
Bungee jump.
Bungee jump.
Or when you jump off a plane, what is that called?
Skydiving.
There you go, skydiving.
See, I would be willing to skydive, but not bungee jump. I don't trust the rope. But
That's true.
Why skydiving? Why do you want to do that?
I don't know, I feel like I would enjoy the thrill of it, the rush, the adrenaline.
You're not afraid of heights?
I am.
Okay.
So that's why I'd want to do it.
Did you visit any roller coasters
Yes.
or theme parks in the States?
Yes.
Okay. Six Flags?
Yep.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good.
I closed my eyes for most of it, but I liked it.
Oh, okay. Well, at least you could say you've been on.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. This question's from a 9th grade girl. If you could change anything from the past, what would it be?
I think I would take school more seriously towards the beginning of college. Because I assumed that it would be just like high school, so I kind of breezed on by and I failed my first year. And it sort of set the tone for the rest of my life. So I would definitely focus more on my first year of college.
This also comes from a 9th grade girl. She wants to know, what is your biggest goal as Miss Marshall Islands?
My biggest goal would be to bring awareness to most of the topics that are important to the Marshall Islands, such as climate change, women empowerment, a lot of the main things that the country is focused on. So I want to be able to be a good ambassador and go around the world and let everybody know that we're here, we exist, and we have problems that we need help with.
Well, how do you feel about littering? What is your thinking on that?
I think if you wouldn't litter outside your own home or within your own home, you shouldn't litter your island.
One thing that I am, it kind of bothers me, you might say, is that when I go to the States, people ask me, or I tell people where I live. I live in the Marshall Islands. And the first question they ask me is, where is that? And I'm sure you've been asked that before. So my question is for you, for anybody who has never heard of the Marshall Islands before, what message do you have? What would you like to tell them?
I've received this question multiple times growing up in the States, and giving the geographical location is easy. Once you let them know where we are physically, it sort of just, leads from their mind. They forget about it. Oh, okay, yeah, it's in the Pacific Ocean, sure. But I start off with telling them about SpongeBob, because that's something that all Americans know about. And then they'll ask, what does the Marshall Islands have to do with SpongeBob? And then I proceed to let them know about the nuclear testing that the US did on the Marshall Islands. And I'll sort of leave a mark on their mind and let them know stories, and then I'll show them my handicrafts, and then talk about things that I love about my island home. And then those kind of stories stick to them, and then they'll come back to me and say, hey, I researched the Marshall Islands. So I think if a lot of people would use that approach when asked about the Marshall Islands,
So you try to spark their curiosity,
Correct.
and then maybe they will want to visit here one day.
Yeah.
Interesting. So that's all we have for today. Thank you so much, Miss Marshall Islands, for allowing me to interview. Before we leave today, I do want to give you a present to say thank you for allowing me to interview you this afternoon. So I have for you an all-American fried bologna sandwich.
Wow.
There you go. I don't know if you've ever had a fried bologna sandwich before.
Never.
Really?
I've never had Marshall's bologna. I've only had American. Oh, but you said it's all American.
Yeah, I bought it at K&K. So I don't know if
I trust it.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thanks so much for checking out the video, and then we'll see you in the next one.